Siemens DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back, and we're here with some more Harbor Freight savings, guys. So before we jump into this, I want to apologize. I haven't really uploaded a video in a while. I've been busy, pretty busy lately. Haven't gotten a chance to do any videos. I've done a few car jobs, just haven't been able to record them. I do have one coming up that I will upload for you guys so you guys could check that out. But I thought I would at least go ahead and throw up a Harbor Freight savings video for you guys today. So without further ado, here we are, and so we're going to go ahead and jump into this. So this is going to be Harbor Freight's free bucket. You get a free bucket. So for everybody, you get a free bucket for with a $29.99 purchase. So you have to spend at least $29.99, and you can pick up a free bucket. That's going to be 3 days only, Friday, September 29th through Sunday, October 1st. Now, if you're Inside Track Club member, you get that free bucket with any purchase. So you don't have to hit a minimum threshold before you receive your free bucket. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get that with any purchase. And that is also 3 days only, Friday, September 29th through Sunday, October 1st. I haven't really been looking at Harbor Freight lately. I haven't really needed anything. I haven't done videos, so I haven't really looked at it. I really only look at Harbor Freight for you guys mostly. And if I need something or if I'm trying to catch any good deals. But this is the deals going on right now. This weekend, last weekend or a few weekends ago, they had some pretty good deals going on. But this is what we got this weekend. Free bucket, and we have a few coupons we're going to hit right here. But let's go ahead and... So here's the coupon code that you could use at checkout. But for Inside Track Club member, it doesn't even look like you need to have a coupon. You could just mention the free bucket. It's while supplies last in store. So enough about the free bucket. Let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the super coupon savings here. So we have batteries, a 24 pack. You could get AA, AAA. Original price is $349. It's on sale right now for $229. Batteries always come in handy, guys. I always speak about this. It's always good to have some extra batteries lying around. We got a moving blanket. Here is a click torque wrench, your choice. Original price is $18.99. It's on sale right now for $11.99. You got a choice between a quarter, 3/8, and a half-inch. I've talked about these before. If you need in the ballpark, this will get you there. Recommend these if you're on a super tight budget, but you still need to get close to the torque spec. These will get the job done. As far as them being super reliable, I would try to spend money and get you something a little bit better. Here we got a 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dolly. Here is the Pittsburgh 300-pound capacity low profile creeper. Original price is $39.99. It's on sale right now for $32.99. And you have the available colors here. I've talked about these before. I really like them. Highly recommend them. I just don't like the price point that they've jumped it up to. But I highly recommend these. I have two, one in gray, one in black. Here's another thing I've talked a lot about. Here's a Syntec 630 peak amp portable jump starter and power pack with 250 psi air compressor. Original price is $89.99. It's on sale right now for $74.99. Highly recommend these, guys. These things come in handy more times than I could ever tell you guys. I use the air compressor actually more than I actually use the jump starter itself. But they do come in handy. I never buy one of these without the air compressor because I find myself using the air compressor a lot more than the actual jump starter. But I have used the jump starter. Also, a lot of these have USB ports to where you can charge your phones and stuff like that. And I've actually used it for that as well. So all around, these are a lifesaver. Here we have the 2-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump from Pittsburgh. Original price is $119.99. It's on sale for $99.99. Looks pretty close to the Daytonas. Don't have any experience with the Pittsburgh jacks, but looks pretty good for $99.99. Not a bad deal. I think if you put a couple more bucks with it, you could go ahead and get a Daytona, which I would recommend and prefer. But again, I don't have any experience with the Pittsburgh. I still haven't seen any. I've not had any comments yet whether these Pittsburghs are good or comparable to the Daytonas. So if anybody out there has the Pittsburgh, want to share their experience, whether it's positive or negative, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. I would like to. I'm curious about them. Have the 8-gallon oil-free portable air compressor, and then here we have the 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart. Original price is $219.99. It's on sale right now for $169.99. This is a really great deal right here. This is the exact one I have, but in blue. You have 6 colors available. Really great carts, guys. Highly recommend the service carts. The U.S. General carts are really good quality. You won't be disappointed. Really enjoy it and highly recommend it, guys. Can't say much more about it. So there is your weekend sales this weekend for your free bucket. And then you get, here's some extra coupons for you guys as well. So anyway, guys, there is your Harbor Freight weekend savings. I apologize, I haven't uploaded in a while. Been really busy lately. I've been trying to get to it. So we're gonna start getting back into it. I'll hopefully have a repair video for you guys soon. So stand by. But anyway, guys, I appreciate your patience with me. We'll get back into this. Anyway, guys, that is your Harbor Freight savings. And we're going to go ahead and end it there. I'm pretty sure you're tired of hearing me talking by now. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.